Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we saw about functions. In this video, we will see about file handling in Python. As usual, the quote of this video is: in programming, the hardest part is not solving the problem, but deciding what problem to solve. So let's see what is file handling. So file handling is a process of handling files with various file formats like text files, CSV file, Excel files, or any other file formats. So the file handling can be done with three major things. The first one is reading a file, how to read a file. The second one is writing to file, how to write our content to the file. Then appending to file, how to add the content to the existing file with the help of Python. So let's see how to read a file. So I have already loaded the sample text files here in the files directory like CSV file, text file. So let's see. So here I am reading the sample.txt file from the files folder. So we use the function called open. So open is a function to read any file. So here I didn't mention the mode where we can give like this also, right? Reading mode, writing mode, and append mode, or A, or W. So by default it will be in a reading mode. So it will read the file whether you give the mode or not. So we read the content of the file with the help of read function. So let me run this line by line so that it can be easy to understand. So let me get the file. So let me run this. So it will be a text IO wrapper. So the default mode is R. So these are the encoding details. You can able to see what is the name of the file itself. So if I read the content, for example, I'm reading the content with the help of file.read function. So now I run this command. So the result is hello world and good world. So these are the content are taken from the file sample.txt. So this is how you can able to read a file. So if you want to read a CSV file, the same syntax, same code can be used with the help of Python open function. The file name is different because we are using a CSV file, data.cxv. So CSV file is a comma separated files. Let me show it. So these are the files. There will be a comma between two columns. So the comma, first element, second element. Likewise, there will be a comma between the elements or strings or words or numbers. Whatever, the comma will be the separator in the file. So let's see. So let me read the file with the help of read function. So the content was displayed as the result. So this is how you can able to read any file in Python. We have to use the function open and we have to use function read so that we can able to read the content from the file. So the next one is how to write a file. For example, this will be a empty text. For example, I'm having a empty text. I want to write a content. So I can use the write mode. So this is W, which is called write mode. Write mode. So we can able to write the content to the file with the help of write mode. The same open function to open a file with the mode of writing. So this is write mode. So next one is we can able to write to the file with the help of write function. The file dot write, then the content, whatever the content we need, then we can close the file. So this is a simple thing. Let me run this. So we have to check whether the file is written or not. So I'm testing with this, the same reading command. So here the details are correct, right? Because I'm writing hello world /n. /n is a new line character. So the second good word is printed in the second line. So this is how you can able to write to the file. The next one is how to append to the file with the help of append function. A plus is a append function. So if you are having one file, already I'm having a text.txt, right? So I'm appending with the who are you string. So here I'm using just open the file with the append mode, and then I'm writing the file as usual, writing the content data to add. Let me run this. So let me see whether the data is added or not. Let me run this. So the data is got added to the file. Who are you was added to the third line of the file test.txt. So this is how you can able to read a file, write a file, and append to an existing file. The next one is how to clear a file, clear a content of the file. For example, here I'm having a text. This is test.txt, right? There will be 3 sentences or 3 lines. Hello world, good world, who are you? So I have to clear the content. So I can use truncate method. Truncate within the parenthesis 0. This will remove the files or delete the content of the file. The next, so that we have to open the file in the mode of R plus, right? So that the content can be cleared. Let me run this. So let's see whether there is a content available in the test.txt or not. So let's see, though there is no content, right? The blank space is printed, so there is no content present inside the file. This is how you can able to clear the content from the file using Python. Thank you.